Hey folks, well, she finally got her bus home, um, and now we're pretty much we're just trying to put things in their places to see how the layout's gonna be. But let me turn you around and show you what we're seeing. All right, so this is her bus. It's a 1999 Bluebird with a 7.3 in it. That's going to be her couch. And we're going to knock these pieces out right here and put, well, at least the middle one, and probably have to put a door on it. And then on the inside back is where, right around this area is where the inverter is going to go. And then I haven't decided yet where we're putting the breaker panel. Possibly there, but the only problem I have with that is water getting in. But we can always black out those windows and just not use them. But anyhow, this is just in a cabinet she had in the house, I guess, from an old house or whatever. We'd chop it off right there and put that end piece back on the wood there and make a little cabinet there. I guess we could actually put the breaker box in there, or something like that, or even possibly on the end of that cabinet there, but I'm not really up with that. But we'll have to see what she wants. I mean, it's up to her. But I did a few more things to this cabinet here. One, I put a gas strut on it, and I wired in a this. I can't remember if I showed that to you last time or not, but I wired in a some lights for inside here, and I put this piece right here on, which gives her a shelf right here for when she opens it up. But everything's coming together pretty good. We just got it back today, so we're gonna just sort of take it slow as far as what she wants. But anyhow, I just figured I'd let you see that, and I also put down her I don't know what you want to call it, extra square footage board. Anyhow, yeah, I just grab it right here, right for now. Anyhow, that didn't get it. Alright, it comes up and folds back until I get a place to secure it to. But this is what our bus looks like. Let's take a look. So this is our bus. Looks pretty nice. Did a good paint job on it. Just got the fuel tank, a brand new fuel tank installed. Had many holes in it. I'm working on that hatch is open because I'm getting ready to run some wires to the batteries for the DC to DC charger. But anyhow, that's our bus. So anyhow, I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll keep you updated on the bus, how the progress on it. So take care and see you later.